How to fix PayPal login error on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guides. So in today's video we are going to be learning how we can fix the PayPal login issues on our Android device. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. If you've been having the issues with the PayPal account and then you want to fix it relatively, there could be three reasons why this happens. The very first reason why this happens is due to your application issue. So to fix this, first of all, open up your Play Store, type in PayPal, check if the PayPal app has an update. If this doesn't help, then what you can try to do is long press on the PayPal app icon over here, tap on the I button to come to the app information page, and then here you want to go to storage, clear the cache files, and also make sure to clear the data. If this doesn't help, then the second reason could be an account issue. So PayPal could have limited your IP address from accessing its servers. So to fix that, you want to simply go ahead and then actually open up PayPal and then try to see if you can log in. If not, then you can try to switch your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch to cellular data. If you're using cellular data, try to switch back to Wi-Fi and then see if that actually solves your problem. If it doesn't, last but not the least, this could be happening due to incorrect credentials. So in order to fix that, go ahead and then open up PayPal and then check if your details are correct. You can simply go to the login page over here and then see if your any type of details are incorrect. If you think you forgot your password, then you can just tap on the option called forgotten password right over here in order to go ahead and then gain access back into your account. Hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.